Who's next? Hey friends, so today Jagger and I, we went shopping and he found something that he really wanted. He's kind of obsessed with Haunted Mansion right now, which is super cool because it's one of our favorite rides. But we know these things aren't new, but they're new to us.
Pirates.
Oh, Pirates too? Pirates too. He likes Haunted Mansion and Pirates. You're right. I'm sorry, buddy. But, so these Doorables, we found the Haunted Mansion set. And again, we know they're not new to everybody else, but they are new to us. We have no idea what they are. This is our first box, so we figured, why not buy it for him and open it and see what it's all about? This. Yeah, that's Ezra. We're gonna see if they're inside. So it says, the box says there's 12 figures inside, and on the back, it shows you all of the figures that you can get in this set. My question is, do you get all 12 of these in the set? What, buddy? That's a mummy. Yeah. Okay, well, we're just gonna open it and we're gonna find out. So, let's see. So we're gonna see, are we gonna get every single figurine that it has on the back of the box? Or are there repeats? I don't know, man. We're gonna find out. Ready? Now let's open it. I'm gonna do a nice unboxing here. Oh, Doorable. I get it, because it's a door. Get it? Okay, look, these are the ones we have to look for, okay? See? It's like a door. I get it now, okay? I feel like this is an advent calendar. Ryan's filming, by the way.
Hi.
He goes, hi. Okay, buddy, you ready?
Haunted.
Let's do the first one. Do you want to try this one here?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to pull it open. Oh, they're wrapped. Guys, like I said, this is totally new to us. We have no idea what this is about. And for the Haunted Mansion to be the first one is pretty cool. So, okay, ready? I'm going to rip it open and you can take it out. Okay, go ahead, take it out. Which one is it? Who is that? Is that Gus? That's the one you wanted first. You got Gus, buddy. Look, so you have that one. You got Gus. See? Here.
Cool.
I don't know if you can see, but there's Gus. How about that?
Okay.
Can you see?
Okay.
There's Gus. Okay. All right, so that's one. You want to open this one next? All right, that's a good idea. Okay. So let's open it. Okay, here we go. All right, ready? Okay, go ahead. Who's in it? Who is it? Is it one of the... Oh, it's one of the busts. Good job, bud. All right, so we got number 2 here. Can you see?
What did that this?
Okay, which one? Which one next? Show me. This one? Okay. So I'm going to assume that we get every single one in the pack, but I gotta find out. Who is that? Let me see. Let's see. We got the opera singer. Good job. Can you show the camera? Show everybody. The opera singer. Yeah, so there we go.
Do something else.
Okay, ready? Let's do the next one. Okay. Which one next? This one? Oh, this is double doors.
Double doors.
Double doors. Double doors. Okay. Okay, there you go. Who is it? You got it? Good job. Another bust, buddy. Good job. Here, put it right here. There we go. Okay, which is the next one you want to open? We already opened this one. This one? Okay. Okay, bud. Who are we looking for? Maybe the mummy? You want to see? Maybe we're going to get the mummy soon, right? Here we go. Let's see. Who is it? Oh, it's Phineas. All right, so we got 2 out of the 3 hitchhiking ghosts.
Wow.
There they are.
Cool.
Okay, buddy, which one's next? This one?
I opened it.
Yeah, we already opened that one. You're right. You're right. Okay, ready? Here you go. Who did we get? I didn't open it well enough. I'm sorry. You get it out? Can you get it out? We got the Gravedigger. Very cool, Jagger. There it is. There's the Gravedigger.
I opened it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Which one now?
Open it.
This one? Okay. We only have a couple more left. Okay, so it does say there is a bonus figure in here, and it's Madame Leota. So I wonder. Here you go. What did you get? What did we get? Who is it? Wow, which one's that? That's the butler, see? We got the butler. Wait, we gotta line him up with everybody else, right?
Yeah.
We gotta line him up. Okay. Go ahead, put him back. Okay, we only have a couple more left. Which one now? This one? This one? Okay, we'll go with that one. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Who's that? That might be the maid. Let's see, who is it? Yes, it's the maid. Very cool. There it is. So yes, I think our assumption is accurate on you get everybody in the pack. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we already opened this one, see?
Okay.
So how about this one?
Okay.
Okay, let's open this one. Very cool, buddy. These are fun. Who knew? There you go.
Yeah, they're cool.
Who's next? Who is it? That's the bride. We got the bride. The bride. Yeah. Good job. Oops. Hold on. There we go. Okay.
A lot
We
of them.
have 1, 2, 3 left.
Wow, there's
3
a lot.
doors left.
There's a lot in there.
Yeah, they said 12.
Wow.
There's 12, and then there's, like I said, there's a bonus one. I'm kind of hoping we do get the bonus one.
More.
Okay, well, we have a couple more left. The bonus one is Madame Leota. Here you go. We have one more bust we still have to get.
And the ghost.
And we need Ezra. Yep, there's the other bust. It's so cool, right? Good job. Okay. We have this one and this one left. Which one? You want to open this one? Okay. All right. Here you go. Who is it? Here, let me open it a little more for you. There you go. Now you can get it out. Who is it? Who is it? Is it Ezra? It's Ezra. So now we have all hitchhiking ghosts. Put him right here next to Gus. Here we go. So now all we're missing is the mummy, unless we got Madame Leota. I don't know how these bonus figurines work, so. Okay. Madame Leota. We got the mummy.
Yeah.
Cool. So that's really cool, bud. Here. We want more.
Is there Madame Leota still in there or no?
So I don't know. So this is what the page they give you looks like. This is a special edition certificate. This is a special edition.
Mama?
Yes. You want it? I'm sorry.
It might be in there still.
It doesn't look like there's any more in here. Jagger, you want to help me look? That's okay that we didn't get Madame Leota. So that's how that works. That's so interesting. Again, we had no idea this existed. This is new to us, but Jagger found it and we were like, why not? Let's give it a try. I've seen, so in the store, when we were in the store, we saw different, like, I guess, like, editions, if you will. And obviously, you're not going to get every single one in one box. There was one that had like one collection had like 100 of them. You want to play with them? Okay. Well, we're gonna go play with them. This was cool. Highly recommend, especially if you have kids, because he's really gonna enjoy these. I think this is fun. I think we might try this again. What do you think? You want to buy more? I'm sorry. Here. Do you want to buy more of these? He's like, I'll just play with my Haunted Mansion ones. But this is cool. I like them. Good collection if you're a collector. I just realized some of these have like really sparkly eyes. I'm sorry. It's so cool. Yeah, look at Ezra's eyes. They're sparkly.
Wow.
So that was fun.
And more.
More. Well, we have to go buy more. That's how that works. Thank you for helping me.
Maybe Spidey. Yeah.
Maybe Spidey. Well, maybe Spider-Man has one. I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was fun. Let us know if you collect these or if you have any of these as well. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe we'll go buy some more. Right?
Let's
Cool.
go buy some more. We'll see you
Thanks, everyone.
on the next Adventures in Weberland.
Ryan, you took the words right out of my mouth.
Bye.
Can you wave?